Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be counting and then matching the numbers to the pictures. So the first thing I want you to do before we do any cutting is to count and then write the number in the box. So one thing that helps us when we're counting is to make little marks above what we're counting like that, so we know that we've counted it. So get your pencils and we're going to practice counting together like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to write 6 in the box. Now let's count the crabs. And let's draw the little line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, so we do a 5 in the box. Okay? Now let's count the trees. 1, 2. So what number are we going to write in the box? 2. Now we're going to count the bees. It looks like there's a lot of bees, so let's get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's write the number 8 in the box. Good. Now let's count the ladybugs, but this time I want you to count them for me. What number did you get? Yeah, 4. Okay, now your turn to count the snakes. Ready? Go. How many snakes? 3. Good, we can look at the pizza and we know that's how many. 1. And then let's count the pencils. Ready? Count. How many did you count? It's 7. Very good. Okay, so next you're going to take your scissors and glue and you're going to cut out the numbers and then glue them over the top of the number that you counted. So we would glue 8 over here, and then we would cut out 5. Okay, so go ahead and finish your paper and make sure your name is at the top. Finish cutting and gluing.